trading meme coins have gotten so much popular in the past few years, but only a few people know how to create their own meme coin, how to actually launch meme coins. And again, most people are out there trading meme coins, and you could be the small portion actually launching meme coins and making money off of that. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can launch your own meme coin, and no, you will not have to do any coding, any developing, any programming, any of that. It's going to be absolutely very easy. I'm going to go over step by step how to create and launch your own meme coin. So before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're on our screen and we're on pump.fun. You may have heard of this website. It's been really popular with meme coins. This is a website where people can launch and trade their own meme coins. So again, most of the meme coins that people trade, if you're trading on Axiom, for example, you can see most of these have this icon right here, pump v1. So that means it was created on pump.fun. So again, most people are out in the trenches trading their own meme coin, looking for things to buy, sell, whatever. But very few people are actually launching their own meme coin and making money off of that. So again, we're going to be doing that in this video. When you're on pump.fun, click the login on the top right. Once you are logged in, you will see this button right here called create coin. So you want to go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to this page right here. This is where we will enter our token details, whatever coin we are creating, your name, ticker, description, our logo, socials, whatever. Everything will be here. So let's go ahead on Axiom, see what the narrative is looking like, see what kind of coin we could create for now. So we see some sports thing, we see some bottom G. So some kind of Andrew Tate narrative. We could see this Andrew Tate logo. We see bottom G. So let's try and create, and we could see even Uncle Tate. So we see some kind of Andrew Tate kind of thing going on right here. So we see a lot of coins being launched on Andrew Tate. So let's see if we could create a coin on Andrew Tate, something related to Andrew Tate. Memes. Let's look up a few memes on Andrew Tate and let's see what we can find. So I found this image online, and I guess we could use this, and we're gonna be calling this, let's go with this. I like this name. Oh, we can't. We gotta keep the ticket short. Let's see, DAT, that. Okay, let's keep it at that. So this is our token, dumb at Tate, DAT, right? Simple. This funny image, I guess you could call it. No descriptions. For socials, we could just put x.com, Andrew Tate, whatever. Andrew Tate. We could just put his X, I believe. Let's do that. Yep. Add social links, add Twitter right here, and let's just go ahead, and when you're done with everything, you could click create coin right here. So this is where you're gonna enter how much of your own coin you're gonna buy. So for this demo, I'm just gonna put 0.1 SOL because it's just a demo, but you could buy however much you want. You are the first buyer on this coin, which is a huge advantage because no one gets in before you. You're basically at the lowest this coin can currently go. So just put whatever amount you want. For this one, I'm gonna put 0.1 and I'm gonna hit create coin. So it's gonna take a few seconds. Go ahead and verify the transaction on your end, and we could see our coin is finally live. If we go on Axiom, we have our token right here. We could see we had some snipers whatever on that coin, and we have our token live. So people can go ahead and trade this coin. We could see again, not every coin is gonna go super crazy. This was just a demo coin, but it is live. People can trade. We could see I could even go ahead and on Axiom, if you're using Axiom, I could go ahead and even buy it from here. And now again, this is just for demo purposes. I showed you guys how you could create your own coin. We could see it showed up right here, and you could get your own coin up and running. It's just that easy. You have to fill out a few things, select your whatever your narrative is. Again, if you're creating a proper coin, it's going to be easier because you'll have your socials, you'll have a website, whatever you have, it's going to be easier. But again, for this example, I showed you just a random coin, how you could create one and make it live for trading. And once you're satisfied, once you want to take your money out, you just go ahead and sell, go to 100%, and you'll see how much however much you'll be able to sell. So we're selling about 0.09, so because we bought 0.1, so again, fair enough. We got one buy by someone. But just to wrap up the video, I could just go ahead at 100%. We could go ahead and sell, approve the transaction, and we have sold our coin from the developer side. So it was that easy to create your own coin. You can buy and sell your own coin, and when you create your coin, you even get creator rewards. So this is like your fixed rewards you get no matter how good or bad the coin does. So that's also an advantage, and you'll get more obviously the better your coin does. So again, that was pretty much it for this video, guys. I showed you how you could create and launch your own meme coin. It's just that easy. You don't need any coding, any programming, whatever, to create your own coin. Just fill out a few things and you'll have your coin ready to go. You can use this method to create as many coins as you want. Again, there's no limit. Just keep creating, and hopefully one of them does good. So do make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video. Drop a comment down below on what you think, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.